I always love to watch these badass stop motion video and films of Transformers by other YouTubers. So I decided, like, if I could do how I do in my tutorial on how to do stop motion Transformers, so I'm going to use my Universal Studios exclusive Optimus Prime, which I got at somewhere in May. And I decided, like, because today I just got the tripod from Five Below, the Bitech, and it actually does have Bluetooth, and I'm trying not to break it. We get really devastated if I get break it. So it does come with Bluetooth, and I'm using this phone for the stop motion, and it works perfectly. Just issues with Optimus Prime. So Strife is coming sooner because my film TF Courtesy Call, as the final film of the Seiko series phase 1, is going to be in development until I get a couple of figures like Nitro Zeus, Megatron, Lockdown, Bumblebee, Universal probably, Sideswipe, and Crosshairs. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. So the things you're going to need is, you might either work on it on the phone, or you want to do some special stop motion camera for this, but I usually use Stop Motion Studios, which is free, well, for now, because you only can do stop motion and some other stuff. Some of the rest you might pay for. And you're gonna need CapCut. But there's a problem, you might not want to do CapCut on the computer, because I gotta tell you something why sooner. And if you have a Bitech tripod with a remote Bluetooth, you might want to compare it with the Bluetooth on your device, phone, just to be able to do the stop motion. It does work with Stop Motion Studios with the Bluetooth Bitech remote control tripod. I usually did stop motion because I did it recently and it worked out. Okay, so we're gonna start with the stop motion. So use the remote if you have the Bitech tripod, and always set or activate the onion skin transparency to be able to see what you were shooting at before, because you don't want to mess up or get a sloppy, shitty stop motion. Currently, your stop motion speed is set to 5, always set to 9 or higher to make a stunning, speedy look of the stop motion. If you're thinking smoothing the slow-mo of the transformation, I suggest not to use PC because they're charging Pro on the updated 2024. Either if it's just PC or maybe it's the outdated of the iPhone. To start the smoothing of the slow-mo of the transformation, always cut it or split it on where the transformation starts, and go to the slow-mo and make sure you put in very slow and either quality or whatever it says on the slow-mo option on CapCut on the iPhone or mobile device.